Don't clean your mattress before seeing this. A retired housekeeper revealed the trick. You'll never pay to have your mattress cleaned again. And for this, we'll start by adding 7 ounces of warm water to a container. Next, add the same amount of alcohol, about 7 ounces. Now let's also need about 3 ounces of vinegar. Preferably use alcohol or white vinegar, as it's better for disinfecting due to its acidity. Next, add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda has an extremely abrasive action, which will help remove dirt and stains without damaging the mattress surface. And finally, let's add 1 capful of fabric softener. You can use whichever you prefer, but if possible, use a concentrated one for better results. Then, simply mix everything very well until all ingredients are combined. I learned this tip from a very experienced housekeeper, and it has helped us a lot at home. But pay attention, because it's not enough to just mix the ingredients. You need to do the correct movements for this tip, and that's exactly what I'll show you. After mixing everything, we'll now need a clean rag. Take the rag and fully dip it in the mixture. Then wring it out a bit to remove excess liquid, as we only need it to be damp. Once that's done, spread the cloth over the mattress. And now comes the big secret. We're going to take a pot lid and place it on top of the spread cloth. Then tie the cloth around the lid. It should look like this. And with this trick, you'll see how simple it is to clean your mattress. Go ahead and do this movement across the entire mattress. And guys, it's simply amazing. Besides cleaning and removing all dust mites, it will also leave the mattress smelling wonderful. Dust mites, for those who don't know, are the invisible dirt we can't see. That's why often when lying on the mattress, you start coughing or sneezing for no reason. It's because of this dirt that we can't see. Here, I've already done the entire mattress, and just look at the results. See how, in no time, we managed to remove a lot of dust mites and dirt. And all of this is what we would have been breathing in. So it's really worth doing this at home. I'm sure you'll love the results.